Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable Expansion. Now we will cover the review. All we have seen, the use cases for it, is pleasure burst. That is, I don't know, my brain is telling me I want more, I want more, I want more. Oh, super interesting now, I want more, I want more. You know what, I don't care about outstanding. I could do a subset of the outstanding queue, is an overflow, but you know what? I want everything, every single detail that I don't even care if it's outstanding. So we'll do the review all to guarantee I will see it. But I'm not exploring or doing incremental writing. It's just, hey, this has been something transcendental. Let me see what do I have about that. And could be the case, and let's propose the case that everything that I do because of pleasure, that I want to guarantee I see it, happens to be that everything was outstanding. Then the effect will be the same as if I did a regular subset review. In my case, most of my collection is outstanding. So it's pretty guaranteed that will be the case. Or just one or two will be off. So nothing more to add, and see you in the next video.